I took one simple request that I sent to ChatGPT. Use this content to create this post on Canva.com. I then came over to ClickBank, the #1 affiliate marketing website platform in the world, accepted in over 190 different countries, and has paid out over $5.8 billion to all of its affiliates so far. Doing this, I've been able to grow a $50 per day affiliate marketing business through Twitter.com. I'm going to show you exactly how I did this and exactly how you can do this too, part-time, as a side hustle, or even as a mainstream income. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur, coach, and trader that documents my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I used to make money online. In today's video, I'm also going to have a $20 Bitcoin giveaway, so make sure to watch until the end so that you can get access to that. If you want to get daily content and daily updates from me on how I make money online, I'm back on YouTube full-time now. Off of YouTube, I'm a full-time trader, which I was quite busy with the last week, so I haven't really been able to attend to YouTube. Without further ado, I'm not going to be wasting any time, and let's dive straight into it. The first platform that you want to come over to is called ClickBank.com. Now, I'm not going to waste any time. I'm going to show you immediately how to sign up, what this website is, and how you can get access to thousands of the best products around the world that you can promote from home using the strategies that I'm going to show you in today's video. So you need to come and click on start here on the top right hand side if you have not signed up with ClickBank before. If you have, you can log in with your existing account. Once you've signed in, your marketplace dashboard is going to look like this with all of these categories over here. Now, all of these categories are various different products that you can go and promote. I recommend choose one that you're passionate about, that you perhaps into or even know something about. For example, if you're a health and fitness coach, you can use the health and fitness category. In this example, I'm going to click on e-business and e-marketing, and you will find tons of products, courses that you can go and promote as an affiliate. So for example, this current company over here will give you money to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and you will get paid every time you refer this opportunity to somebody else, $19.94. Here's an opportunity for people to make money giving reviews on applications, and every time you refer someone to this product, you will get a commission of $34.28. Here's another one, live chat jobs. So this is an online job where people can sign up and get employed online. You can go and promote this offer to other people, and you will go and get paid $55.88 every time someone signs up for this. So here are 3 perfect opportunities that you can go and use. All these opportunities really sound great. If you take a look at the gravity score over here, a 295.70 gravity score means that 295 people in the last 30 days have made money selling this product either once or more than once. If you click on the link to this website or this product, it will take you directly to their sales page that they've created and tailor-made for you as an affiliate to go and promote. Take a look at this, a quick quiz that will help your lead identify a job based on the time that they have in a day, for example, part-time, a complete side hustle, or a full-time income. This website over here, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, will take you straight to the landing page that this company has tailor-made for you as an affiliate. So you do not need Builderall, Kartra, or any sales funnel tool that costs hundreds of dollars a month. Everything that I'm showing you in today's video is completely free to do, which is completely fantastic. All it requires is a little bit of time out of your day. This little quiz over here will allow your client to find the right online job for them regarding Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and based on the amount of time that they have in the day, and it will give them a list of jobs that they can do. Once they choose a job and they sign up for this offer, that is where you get your commission. Now that we have 1 or 2 products in mind, I'm going to be focusing on these 3 over here. Any of these 3 are great as they all really are similar. They all involve online jobs. You want to come over to a website called ChatGPT. You can sign up completely for free. If you come over to chat.openai.com, it will take you to the live ChatGPT website, and over here you can send ChatGPT a message. So for example, what I did was I sent them and I asked ChatGPT to give me 15 ways to make money online in bullet points. Send this to ChatGPT and it will write you out 15 ways that you can make money online in a perfect bullet point. You can even ask ChatGPT to emphasize on particular points. So for example, expand on point 3, write 200 words explaining how I can make money with this. Click on send to ChatGPT and they will write you an entire article expanding specifically on point 3, which is all about selling products online on marketplaces such as Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. And it will go through a step-by-step process on how to get started and actually be successful at it. And you can emphasize on any one of these points. Now, what I'm trying to get to here is this tool, ChatGPT, allows you to produce content like this, done for you articles, done for you tutorials without having to come up with it at all by your own. And you can use this to monetize affiliate marketing offers on social media platforms, which is exactly what I've been doing, and which also leads us to step number 3. Step number 3, Canva.com, my number 1 graphic design website place that I use for posts, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, you name it. You want to come over to search your content on Canva. You want to go and search ebook on the search bar. Click on ebook template or just ebook, and over here you will see tons of ideas that you can go and use and import at the click of a button. Why the strategy works so well is because you are going to be giving away a free ebook to your leads. That way you're giving free value, a strategy that I've spoken about on my channel before called jab, 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 hook, giving value, giving value, giving value, and then eventually getting in return, which is exactly what we're going to be focusing on here. When you give something away for free that is valuable to people, they instantly gain your trust, you build a relationship with them, and they naturally get on your good side because, well, you gave them something for free that will help them. I'm going to go and choose this template over here, where to invest your money. Click on it, click on customize templates, and it will open up this entire template in a new tab where you can go and edit the text, the images, and add really what you'd like to this ebook cover. Let's go and change the text to 15 ways to make money online, just like that. Let's just move the text a little bit up and readjust that. You can change this header to your name, for example. All you need to go and do is now construct your PDF. Click on add new page, come over to ChatGPT, and it's a matter of copy and paste. So copy number 1, start a blog and vlog and monetize it through ads. Come back to ChatGPT, just go and click on text, click on body text. Go and paste this over here as number 1. You can make this bold as the heading, and then all you need to do is come over to ChatGPT and same thing. Copy your first response, just make it expand on point 1, click on send, and it will give you an article on point 1. So let this write out, and once ChatGPT is finished, you can copy and paste. Copy and paste this text from ChatGPT, come over to Canva.com, again go and click on add some text, and go and paste this entire article. Just make sure you add some spaces in between, just making it look like a proper paragraph. If it overlaps the page like this, just cut that text. You can also make this alignment to the left, make it a little bit smaller. Click on new page, add some more text and paste the rest, align it to the left, and you can make it a little bit smaller so that it fits on the page, and then rinse and repeat. You can go and copy this heading, come over to page 2, paste this over here, type second point, so number 2, come back to ChatGPT, copy your response, and just type expand on point 2. Click on send to ChatGPT and let it do all the writing for you. Rinse and repeat. Copy your response, come back to Canva.com and paste your second part of your PDF document. Click on paste, make this a little bit smaller so it fits on the page. You can then cut off from the sentence that overlaps to the next page. Let's just make this a little bit smaller, adjust it to the left. Click on add page, click on add body text, paste your new text over here. Again, make it a bit smaller. Centerize it, align it to the left, just like that. And you can also do some spaces in between just to make the paragraphs look neat. All you need to go and do is repeat the process for step 1 to step 15, and you have an entire PDF document that is super valuable, that will give people insights on 15 different ways that they can get started to make money online in a free PDF. But this is exactly how you're going to make money from this. Come back to ClickBank, click on promote of your affiliate offer. So I'm going to use get paid to use Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. Click on create hop link. This link over here is your affiliate link to this product where people can go and get an opportunity to get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Every time someone signs up for that opportunity through your affiliate link, you will earn $19.94 per sale. And if they purchase an upsell, $40 reoccurring every single month on the upsell. All you need to go and do is come back to canva.com. Here and there at the top of the page, go and type. You can just actually come back to ClickBank, copy the title, go and paste this in your body text, move this back to the top, maybe highlight this a different color such as red, highlight this text, click on this little link icon over here and paste your link. That means when people click on this, it will take them through a direct clickable link to this affiliate product. And you can go and paste this, for example, at the top of each and every page over here. You can just go and paste it, put it at the top of this page, and once your PDF is ready, click on share, click on download file type as a PDF standard, click on download, and this done for you PDF with the cover and all the text and articles on how to make money in 15 different ways is completed in the matter of this 5-minute or 10-minute video. If I open up this PDF, take a look at what this looks like. It's a simple PDF that shows you 15 ways to make money online. The catch is this clickable link. You'll see if I click on this link, it will take me directly to the website where your leads can go and sign up to get paid to use Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. All I did was I came over to twitter.com and go and searched how to make money online. If you go and click on enter, take a look at this. For example, this page over here, you can go and open up some of these pages. And for example, if you go and click on some of these Twitter posts, you can go and have a look at some of the people commenting. So over here, you can go and click on one or two of these response. For example, this person over here, keep up. You can go and click on comment on their post and you can go and type, for example, the following. Hey, and you can tag their username. Here's a PDF document course explaining 15 different ways that you can use to make money online. Let me know what you think. Then all you need to go and do is come over to Google Drive, upload this PDF to Google Drive, right click on get link, copy your Google Drive shareable link, come back to twitter.com and go and paste this Google shareable Drive link. Click on reply, and you can go and reply to this person. And this is a great start to go and get some traffic and help people on Twitter that are looking for ways to make money online by getting access to your PDF that you're just giving away completely for free on the Google Drive. In that PDF is your upsell to your product that you're going to be making money off of. If you guys want to learn what I do full-time off of YouTube, that is prop firm trading and trading on the Forex and indice markets using an indicator that I've specifically created for my trading community. This is an indicator that I've gotten coded and developed for my community called the Millionaire Mindset Matrix V2, which highlights these high probability reversal zones with entry confirmation. And take a look at this. Price on CHFJPY on the 1 hour, tapped my zone of interest, printed a beautiful circle as a confirmation entry, and this trade, if you took a 1 to 3 risk to reward, ran about 3% total profit of your account size. And this is what I do full time off of YouTube, is waiting for setups to play like this. I send all of my live trades to my Discord community. I also live stream in my Discord community where you can get access to all of my live trades. So if you guys want to learn more about this particularly, I will leave a link in the first link in the description of this video. And as promised in the beginning of this video, I would do a $20 Bitcoin giveaway. All you need to go and do is leave a like on this video, make sure you're following my channel with the bell on, comment down below I'm ready, and I will choose a random comment in tomorrow's video that I'll be posting for the lucky winner of that $20 Bitcoin giveaway. So make sure to go and get started with those steps so that you can hopefully win that $20 Bitcoin giveaway. Without further ado, take care and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.